As a professional body, we cannot sit back and bury our heads in the sand like nothing is happening. Why we are here, therefore, is to request our beloved government, both national and county governments, to sit down with the leadership of the union to be able to bring to rest the strike that is currently on. And we are even ready to arbitrate to ensure that the strike comes to an end so that our patients and our clients, those who need immunization, those who need specialized care, those who need to deliver, are taken care of. Because this is a critical area. It goes against human rights for us not to be able to attend to healthcare services.
These are things that the government can quickly fix. They can be able to sit down, call the union of the nurses and midwives in this country, the leadership. They can be able to call them and sit down with them and get a solution.